Some entrepreneurs, CEOs have been saying AI will replace coding or jobs entirely. Okay, but is it true? Let's break down. Elon Musk said in 10 or 20 years, work will be irrelevant thanks to AI and robotics. Mark Zuckerberg said Meta AIs have Meta, Meta have AIs will be replaced mid-level engineers in 2025. Geoffrey Hunting, godfather of AI, Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, Thomas Dong GitHub, CEO of GitHub.
Back then in 2022, Copilot was already writing 40% of the code in those files that was enabled, right? Almost half. And I was on stage here and I claimed that in 5 years it's going to write 80% of the code. And that number shook people. I remember coming off stage and walking through the expo and people are like, really 80%? How is that going to be possible? It sounded unbelievable, a little bit scary, maybe a little sci-fi. But here's the wild thing. This was all 5 months before ChatGPT had happened. We as developers, we were ahead of the curve of AI.
My approach is you must become a programmer and a web coder. Think in line. First part is a programmer and second part is a web coder. You must find the middle of the line, i.e., if you already know a function, uh, approach, an algorithm, a pattern, you don't write this again. Why you repeat what you already know? You must focus creativity or logic or important things. It's an efficient way. For example, you know how to write a button. Okay, you don't write it again. You don't repeat it. Let AI do this. It's an efficient way. You don't wasting any time. You don't read full documentation. Just you work, you read, you learn.